Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture we will discuss what is Bootstrap and why people use it. So let's Google search Bootstrap or Bootstrap 5 as this is the current version of Bootstrap, Bootstrap 5. This is their official website, getbootstrap.com. Let me just search for Bootstrap only. Okay. See, build fast, responsive sites with Bootstrap. Powerful, extensible, and feature-packed front-end toolkit. Build and customize with Sass. Utilize pre-built grid system and components and bring projects to life with powerful JavaScript plugins. Well, this might be confusing. Let me tell you in simple words. Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. It gives you the ability to easily create responsive designs. Now, what is responsive design, right? Responsive web design is all about creating websites which automatically adjust themselves to look good on all devices, starting from small phones to large desktops. Yes, friend. So, using Bootstrap, you can design responsive websites. Nowadays, with so much variable width devices, like say iPad, iPhone, then mobile phones of different screen widths, then small desktops, large desktops, laptops, right? So it's really essential to create responsive website design where website components or website elements fit themselves to look good on all device width. Yes, friend. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation, modals, image carousels, etc. Let me just show you one thing. See, here we have a comprehensive set of plugins like alert, button, carousel, drop down modal, see, tab, alright. Then Bootstrap icons is there now. Now there are a few changes actually that are being made in Bootstrap 5. The important changes that are there, the important changes which I would like to mention. Number one, RTL support got added. Second, jQuery got removed. Then it dropped support for Internet Explorer 10 and 11. You don't need to grab everything in your head. Just remember this thing that Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development, and it gives you the ability to easily create responsive designs. Yes, friend.